What we've learned is if we put her in a little bit more flexion, she adjusts pretty easy. Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dalton with 7 Bridges Chiropractic. You may recognize a familiar face, my office manager, Lauren. She has been having some back pain when she's working out, and then she tends to get some neck pain and stiffness from just working and sitting behind the computer studying. She's in PTA school right now, so if anybody has been through it, give her some tips and pointers. If not, we're just really happy and excited for her. I'm going to step behind her and loosen up her neck into her upper back first, and then you'll see kind of our normal adjustment. We took away the paper today to see the change in that and see if you hear her neck crack a little better. Yeah. Has one side been bothering you more than the other?
No.
Okay, your left is just a little tighter.
I did work out today.
How was your workout?
So
How'd your back hold up during the workout?
it was alright.
Yeah. What exercise bothers it the most?
It didn't bother me today.
Awesome. So we're getting a little better with the
It
low
didn't
back.
really bother me too much yesterday either when I went, but it'll just be like random things when I know I'm not standing correctly.
Okay. But we're getting better in that department.
Yeah. Definitely
'Cause
better than the first.
your low back pain came out of nowhere.
Yeah, I've never dealt with really low back pain, and then all of a sudden I was like, hello.
And we've treated it, I think, 3 times
Yeah.
since it started. And that's been like over a week, week and a half. Like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So doing much better. I'm going to do a little cupping up here today too. Mr. Cameraman, will you come back here? For those of you who watch our videos, I beckoned my wonderful husband to come do some recording. So if you have any complaints, feel free to put them on there and I will let him know all about them. So we do a little bit of active cupping, you'll start to see some redness come in through her shoulder. These cups are nice because you can reset them pretty easy without using the like squeezy gun that I used to use. The only problem is sometimes I just rip them off and they don't stick very well. Go on your back for me. You clipped your necklace into that.
Oh, did I?
There you go. I never noticed that because my hand's always on the paper. Okay, let your head go here. Lauren, if you can see, Lauren loves to tense up her neck when I go to adjust it. What we've learned is if we put her in a little bit more flexion, she adjusts pretty easy.
I usually will wiggle my toes, and I didn't this time.
This is kind of cool because you can see it really easy, but this muscle connects right behind the ear. It's called the sternocleidomastoid, so it starts at the sternum where it connects and goes all the way up here. Hers is very prominent on both sides. You don't generally see it like that very well. Big deep breath for me. Oh. That's gonna be a great face for the cover picture. Go on your side facing me.
It's like
And on your other side.
unexpected.
You don't expect as many.
So many. Ugh.
I know. I was at the chiropractor this morning, and
I'm just
there was one I was just like, oh, it feels wonderful, but I did not expect that when you're already on your stomach.
We're acting today. Ugh.
So one of the tools I like to use is this massage gun. One of the things with it, and you'll see if you own one at home, it comes with multiple different heads. I really like the one that has the space in between. You put it right along the spine so it gets all those little muscles, helps relax them between that. Getting this leg for me. Doing okay with that pressure?
Ow.
Yeah. This is part of what's creating some of that back problem for you. You was tender on this side or not as bad?
I'm just, yeah, no, my right side is more tender.
Yeah.
I'm also sore because I did hamstrings and booty yesterday.
You're getting after it in the gym right now.
Ugh. I'm trying to. I've been so like.
You're good to come on up when you're ready.
Routine that.
Yeah. It happens. You've been what, twice this week? 3 times? 4 times?
Yesterday
Oh,
and
I
today.
forgot holiday yesterday.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks guys for watching. We will see you next Wednesday. Go ahead and comment below anything else you'd like to see. Check out our latest our exercise videos to help you with your low back pain, your upper back pain, and subscribe so you get a notification.